Simple and classic chicken adobo today, the way it should be. Authentic. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. Hello, warm welcome. Thank you for joining me here again, here in Holland, at my small kitchen. Today we're making a very simple dish. Very simple. I think this is the simplest dish in the Philippines where I come from. And every region, and perhaps in every home, they have a version of this. But tonight, we are making the original recipe. This dish may have evolved and fused with other traditions. But tonight, we will do justice. We will present the original recipe. And it's simple and it's quick. Oh, is it really quick? By the way, this is not very quick. The cooking process may be very quick, but you need at least overnight, suggested. You need at least overnight to have it really marinate, to have the meat marinate in the sauce. And that's how it got its name, adobo, which means to marinate. Did I say it right? To marinate with T-E. Marinade is a sauce. Now, it's very simple that I can show you now the ingredients. The spices, I should say. So for this dish, we are marinating, we are cooking in its marinade chicken. The marinade consists of these ingredients and sauces or spices. Very basic spice, black pepper here, entire peppercorn, 1 onion, and up to 6 garlic. Now this question, I'm holding here a garlic. Perhaps you would say, is garlic really needed? This is chicken adobo, and chicken has its distinct smell. We need to neutralize it by using ginger. Plus, the very soul of the dish, vinegar, preferably cane vinegar, and soya sauce. Please, to keep its authenticity and originality, don't use any other soya sauce. Use the Filipino soya sauce. Not ketchup mayonnaise or any other soya sauce. The closest thing that you can use is the Japanese. And for this dish tonight, it's chicken wings. It should be chicken on the bone. Chicken wings or chicken thigh, not chicken breast. Again, chicken on the bone. For 1 kilo of chicken, this is the proportionate ingredient and spices that you need. There are more refined ways of preparing the ingredients, but I'll show you the less refined and rather quick and easy way of preparing. So quick that we are now ready to stir fry. I didn't mention about it because I don't like it. But we need also laurel leaf. I'll just use this. Yeah, I don't like the flavor. Well, I have to. I have to be true to the tradition. I think the oil begins to sizzle now, and we can do the stir fry. Let's start with the onion. Although some would argue, start with the garlic first. I forgot that this splatters. We need a better protection. And we need to flaunt our brand. Channel 1, Kitchen and Garden. And we add the rest of the spices or the ingredients. And do we consider even this a spice? While we're stirring this, I invite you to check out the other channel, My Barrio, My Mundo. That's where the places, events, and cultures are posted. It's now aromatic. I can smell the spices. We'll add the chicken. We'll just have to stir fry this until it's no longer pink. And I did not tell you earlier, but it's been a tradition when cooking chicken. It's good to season while stir frying the chicken with patis. Around 1 tablespoon. It will have an aromatic smell, but it's worth it. I mean, if you don't like it, it's worth it. It does wonders. I just don't know why. It gives the sweetest flavor to the dish. Sweet without being sugary. And at this point, we can add the vinegar. Preferably cane vinegar. If you don't have that, as long as it's not the white vinegar, it's good. The aceto balsamico is also good if you're in Italy, or if you have access to aceto balsamico. This is very critical when cooking adobo. Once you add the vinegar, don't touch it. Don't ever touch it. Wait until it briskly boils. If this was in 40, if you could smell this, we can now smell the acid evaporating, the sourness of the vinegar. So the purpose for it to boil briskly first is to allow the acidity to escape, leaving it a sweet, rather sweet flavor. There's less acid now in the air. And it's been briskly boiling, so we'll add the next ingredient, which is soya sauce. And the rest. And at this point, you can also transfer it to a casserole if you prefer. But the saucepan allows quicker thickening of sauce compared to a casserole. I discovered this. Perhaps you're wondering, or you're even questioning, is this really the original recipe? What do you think? If you have your own recipe at home, what your mother or whoever was occupying the kitchen in your homes, how was it? Is it similar to this? Or please leave me your comment. It's time to discard the laurel leaf. It has done its job. If you notice, it's rather thick, and that's how it should be. It's now cooked. I stewed it for roughly 30 to 40 minutes. And yes, if you can wait, you can eat it now, but it's preferred to have it stand overnight, and tomorrow it will be more delicious. That's adobo. It should adobo. It should adobate. It should marinate in its own sauce. That's how it got its name. So, see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining me here today, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you'll get inspired to be traditional with your adobo. Please, no sugar. Potato can be forgiven as an additive extender if you're short of meat, but please, no sugar or no ketchup. Please, no ketchup. Mabuhay ang plato ng Pinoy. This has been your Kuya Romelo, a proud Ilocano, proud Pinoy, cooking and keeping his tradition. Bye-bye, and see you next time at the next video.